production. Today we have a severe weather alert. We have a blizzard right now as we speak, moving in from the east to the Midwest.
Now let's head to Casey for our live weather report.
Reporting live from Epworth, Iowa. There's a huge blizzard coming in from the west coast, so be prepared.
Stay off the highways and all roads because the conditions are already getting awful.
There can be up to 12 inches of snow, so be prepared and have all of your shovels and salt ready to scoop it all up. Make sure you stay indoors until authorities say it's okay because the weather, it will be very cold and you want to make sure that you stay safe.
Back to you, Izzy and Macy.
Thank you, Macy. So, in a few days when the blizzard passes, here's a few tips to help you stay safe. So first, listen to the radio for any emergency announcements. And check from your front door to check to see if there are any power lines in your yard. If there are, call a power company and wait for a professional. Also, check for broken water pipes, and if there are any, shut off the water supply until a professional is able to come and repair them. And lastly, check for any leaks in the ceiling if it can mean roof damage. And if there is any structural issues, try and stay with a neighbor.
Okay, see you on Monday. And stay safe from this nasty blizzard.